On March 19th, 2015 of this year, between the hours of 6 p.m. and 7 p.m., a shooting took place at on Old Number 6 Highway in Santee at 7513. The victim, Warren Davis, was allegedly pulled from the residence by this individual, Mr. Strobel, drug into the front yard where he suffered multiple shots. He was hit up approximately 4 times, fighting to try to keep his leg right now.
And I didn't mean to interrupt. When you said hit, you mean hit or shot?
Shot.
All right.
Approximately 4 times.
All right.
At the time, we didn't have much to go off of. We were able to get a name, and after some research and working with other agencies, we were able to come up with Mr. Strobel. We were able to get a photo lineups done. He was picked out of photo lineups by a victim and witness. We'd like for you to take into consideration the severity of this crime, as well as the fact that Mr. Strobel has a pretty extensive criminal history. He is currently wanted right now out of the state of Texas for a probation violation in reference to being found he was on probation for marijuana charges in Texas. But it's only in-state extradition. They won't extradite out of state. I'd set up several meetings with Mr. Strobel, which he was made none of them. We went to locations where he told us to meet him, and he would change them. I got the Marshal Service involved, and through the help of the U.S. Marshals, we were able to locate Mr. Khirhy, Mr. Strobel, and bring him into custody. We asked that no bond be set.
How'd you get him?
Through the U.S. Marshals. They found him in North Charleston. He's not a resident of Orangeburg County. He's not from Orangeburg County.
Is this his current address, 8827 Durwood Drive?
From what we understand, he wasn't located at that residence. We relocated him at another location. It took us a little while to find him. We worked on this for over a week and located him. We asked that you deny bond, and if for some reason you were to give bond, we'd ask that you put an ankle monitor or have some form of monitoring device put on him, so we could be able to locate him if for some reason he didn't show up in court.
So this incident occurred on the 19th of March.
Yes, sir.
And you got him into custody on the 31st of March, which was yesterday.
Yes, sir.
The brother of the victim.
You have remember, this is just bond today. This is not the trial. I don't need to know what happened. This is in reference to the court setting or denying bond on Mr. Strobel today. Anything from you, sir?
Yes, I just asked that bond be denied. The fact that my brother is actually still hospitalized, fighting to save his leg from the 19th. Actually, until today, he's actually had another surgery. He's had close to, if not over 10 surgeries, and they're fighting to try and keep his leg, and even if they can keep it, he won't be able to use it like he was able to use it before that. So I just asked that bond could be denied.
So he still has more surgeries that he has to go through at this point.
He's actually in one right now.
All right, Mr. Brown, anything else, sir?
No, Your Honor, it's just that I concur with Investigator Dawn Boyne and with Mr. Davis, with Mr. Kevin Davis.
All right. In light of course, what I've heard, my job is to protect the citizens of society, and that's what I'm concerned with at this particular point. With that in mind, I do feel that, Mr. Strobel, you are a danger to the community in which we currently live, and I am going to deny your bond. Doesn't mean that bond won't get an actual opportunity to have bond set on you. That, of course, that would be done before the circuit court judge, but for today and today's purposes only, the court is going to deny your bond today, all right? Thank you very much. Have a seat for me.
Thank you, Your Honor.